LALRISE brings value to growers with microorganism-based solutions. Beneath the soil, an ecosystem of millions of beneficial microorganisms support soil structure and enhance plant nutrition. However, intensive practices disrupt the balance of microbial communities, leading to loss of soil fertility. Microbial functions decline, synthetic inputs increase to offset and maintain yields. It's a difficult cycle to break. Fortunately, our LALRISE product range can restore balance and enhance beneficial functions. LALRISE VITA WP is a versatile, wettable powder microbial solution that promotes root development, nutrient availability, and uptake. To ensure maximum benefits, plants are inoculated with LALRISE VITA WP at the earliest stages of growth in a localized soil application. It will then form an adhesive layer on roots, creating the optimal environment to unlock nutrients and make them available to the plant. LALRISE VITA WP produces organic acids and enzymes that release nutrients essential for root development, early vigor, and achieving high yield potential. LALRISE Plant Care, microbial by nature.